we're going to start to take a look at representing exponential growth. So in the first couple lessons, you've looked at patterns that look like exponential growth. Now we're going to see how we can write equations to represent exponential growth. In 3.1, they're revisiting math exponent rules. And they wanted you to rewrite each expression as a power of 2. So that basically means 2 to some power. So in this first one, they're doing 2 to the third times 2 to the fourth. If I had to expand that out and then recondense it, it would look like 2 times 2 times 2 for the first one, and then another 4 for this second expression. And then if we were to condense this all back together, this is going to turn into 2 to the 7th power, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you remember from a couple units ago when we were back in school, there was a little trick. Anytime you multiply, you can just add the exponents. So 2 to the third times 2 to the fourth is the same as 2 to the 3 plus 4, which gives you 2 to the 7th power. So if I use that trick, right, when you multiply, it's really adding your exponents. When I move on to the second one, it's going to be 2 to the 5 plus, don't forget there is a 1 there. So that's going to give me 2 to the 6th power. Now, when we go to the third and the fourth one, we've got a division symbol going on. So you can kind of think of it as the fact that division is the opposite of multiplication. So you're going to do the opposite with the exponents. So multiply, we added the exponents. So when we divide, we're going to subtract, or we're going to minus the exponents. So in this case, it's going to be 2 to the 10 minus 6, which is equal to 2 to the third. And then this is going to be 2 to the 9 take away 1, which is 2 to the 8th power. I'm going to take a moment, though, just to expand this one out for you guys, just to show you what that means. 2 to the 10th divided by 2 to the 7th. That means you've got 10 of these on top multiplying. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you've got 7 of them on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And anything divided by itself is just a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then look what you've got left over on the top. And what do you have left over on the bottom is just a 1, because anything divided by itself is a 1. So the top is 2 to the third, the bottom is a 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So there's just another way to see it in expanded form.